gosh.
Yeah! Just kidding, it's a ninja. I was pretending to be a ninja. That would be a good intro. Hey there! So today we are in the kitchen again, and we have the Ninja blender system. This is one that I think is not the most base level. I think I upgraded for our anniversary last year. Wanted to get my wife a nice new blender, and this is, what's this called?
A food processor.
A food processor. So I wanted to get her kind of the full system. It comes with the little smoothie cups as well, because we have been through a bunch of crappy blenders. And so we've had a bunch of crappy blenders and they don't work, not very well. And so I figured it was time to upgrade, and we've been really happy with this. So we've used it for just over a year, and I'll tell you some of the things I like about it, and then we'll hear it from Katie. So this is the thing that I use most often and love. It is very simple to use. You've got your blade. This is the specific blade for smoothies. So you put all your smoothie stuff in one of these cups, and then you go ahead and tighten it down, and you're able to put that directly onto this right here. So you put that on there, you hear it click, you go ahead and run it, and you have a smoothie. So you're able to take that off, and then it even has a nice lid for you to be able to put right on that and enjoy your smoothie. And it has 2 of those cups. So that's just really nice that they give you 2 of them, and it's a convenient overall system to be able to use and run that, get a smoothie, a quality smoothie. It blends great, and get that really quickly. So that's the main thing I use, and now we'll hear from Katie. So tell me a little bit about these other 2 things here. What do we have?
Yeah, this is more like your classic blender, but as he said, there's a lot of blenders out there that just don't last long or don't blend well, and we've been super happy with this one because it has lasted us a little while already, but then also it blends really well. It's got a lot of blades in there, and so it's a really nice blender. So typical blender in a lot of senses, but it just does a really good job. So yeah, it sits onto the same base, which is really nice that all of this goes onto the same base. And then you've got this button up top pushes the handle up so you can pull the handle on and off. The blade comes in and out for cleaning. So it's nice. It's got a lot of different settings. There's dough, blend, crush, and pulse. There's also a button that says single serve, which is for these. So there's a lot of different things you can do with this. I make salsa in here all the time, but it's a...
And there are, if you're just getting this and you're kind of confused, not able to make this work, this is something that seems really obvious now, but I didn't see it at first. There's 2 arrows that go together right here. And so this system will not close unless you match the arrows. So there's one on the handle and one here, and if you try to put it down on another one, this handle, it just won't fit the way it needs to, and it won't seal properly. So you'll want to match up those arrows and then push it down, and then you press the release to go ahead and open it up.
And then the other part here is a food processor, which I was super excited about because not only did we need a new blender because our last one had died, but I had been wanting a new food processor. And so we have used this one a lot. Just does a really nice job of chopping up food. I chop up cabbage and onion in here a lot, and it does a really nice job really quickly. And so this has been really nice all together, as being dishwasher safe, so it's easy to clean, and being really easy to put together, and also really versatile as a kit that you can use it for smoothies or for food processing or for blending. And so we've used it for a lot of different things and been really happy with how quick it is, how easy it is to clean. Just a really nice, pretty powerful little blender right here.
Yeah, so that's something that I've really loved just about this entire system. Is it's not the cheapest blender out there by any means, but this is one thing where I feel like we'd been through enough cheaper blenders to where we wanted to get something stronger that actually worked better too. And so I think because of the different blades, that's one major thing that works really, really well with this system. And so it does an awesome job. It's super, super powerful. I mean, looking at the base of this and feeling the weight of it, this is a very, very strong machine. And so it makes sense to have this and then be able to use all these different pieces within that. So I think Ninja's done a great job of that, and we've really appreciated this kind of overall blender system, food processor smoothie, because it really does work extremely well. And yeah, we're excited to continue to use this in the future, use it all the time. And yeah, I'm gonna make myself a smoothie for lunch now. You guys have convinced me. So hopefully this gives you a taste of what this is, what it does, and why it may or may not be right for you. Thanks.